Following the incident of the killing of slain State Corp SDPO Chingtham Anand, massive search and combing operations are underway at Moreh town and adjoining areas. During the search operation, several camouflage combat dresses and bulletproof jackets have been recovered, along with gunpowder including vehicles. According to reports from police, search and combing operations were undertaken yesterday from 5 am till 9:30 am by a combined team of state security forces at the Moreh village, Saijang and Laikot village near Indo-Myanmar international border at a distance of about 1.5 kilometers from Moreh town. Acting on special inputs about the presence of culprits involved in the murder of SDPO Chingtham Anand at the Moreh village, the search operation was launched. Combined state security forces, upon reaching the village, found that all male residents of the village had already evacuated the village, leaving behind only women and children. During the search operation, 2 mobile handsets, 1 Tata DI without registration number, 6 two-wheelers without registration number, camouflage bullet-proof jackets, hunting boots, knives, swords, 3 local made pipe gun, gunpowder and other combat dresses were recovered.